10 in a row. Well, they made it 11. They beat the boys from Devon, Ivybridge, 20 points to 10 at the weekend, so they're still top of the South Western League. So well done, Bournemouth. Our rugby's going quite well at the moment.
It is.
England doing well.
Thanks, Tony. And on to the weather now. Sam Fraser's here. Looking ahead to the whole week. It's going to be a bit changeable.
I'm afraid unsettled is the theme that's coming, but, you know, we've had it good, haven't we? Let's take a look at the photos for today. And John Lewis was up early to take this quality shot of sunrise over Key Haven this morning.
Sunny skies over Bournemouth Beach. That was at lunchtime. Thanks to Donald Cusack for that.
And pretty as a picture, this is Sansett Castle in Weymouth in the sunshine, thanks to Leslie Maxwell.
Well, we did have some very pleasant blue skies and sunshine across the region today, but it was chilly. I think 6 or 7 Celsius is where the temperature lodged. As we go through this coming week, things are set to turn milder, but that does also mean that it's going to be wet and windy at times too. Let's take a look at tonight, and we're dry through the course of the next few hours. Some clear spells developing. Under those clearing skies, temperatures dropping away, so it could be very cold in places tonight. The overnight low freezing for many of us. Some mist and low cloud and fog as well developing through the course of the early hours. So for tomorrow morning, there could be some dense fog patches first thing. They should start to break up through the course of the morning. Some fairly brisk winds developing, and you can see out to the west, this band of rain is going to start pushing its way in through the course of the day. Some heavy rain on that, and temperatures, well, perhaps to the east it stays a little bit chilly, 8 Celsius. Further west, we're into double figures. Let's take a look at tomorrow evening then, and that band of rain moves away east. The cloud builds ahead of some more rain that's going to make its way in from the west. So we're looking at something a little bit lighter and patchier in nature tomorrow night, but temperatures much less cold, 7 Celsius for most places. Looking ahead to Wednesday itself, and you can see low pressure in charge here. The isobars are close together. We are in for some wet and windy conditions through Wednesday, quite cloudy too. For Thursday, much the same story, some blustery showers, but some bright spells as well, and temperatures in the southwesterly airflow at least on the way up. Let's look at Friday then, and I think perhaps a little bit drier. It will be a breezy day, some sunny spells to be had. I think still the risk of a shower, but the further east you are in the patch, the less likely that is. And as we head into the weekend, well, we're likely to see more in the way of rain, but there should be some bright spells too, and temperatures at least a little bit milder. Here's the outlook then for the next few days, and as I say, some heavy spells of rain through tomorrow. Temperatures though starting to climb up. By Wednesday, well, 14 Celsius isn't bad for November, but look at those winds, very brisk indeed. Some strong winds and rain through Thursday too. Something a little bit brighter and drier for Friday.